We reached out to Lars knowing that our kitchen was in a historic home built in 1896. So it was really important that we worked with a designer and builder who understood the needs of working with a historic home, could keep in tradition of what the home's original character looked like, but also bring us up to standards that we could meet our program needs. So it was important that we had updated appliances, working space, but we wanted to keep the character of the home as well. I'm Jen Nation, Executive Director of Olivewood Gardens and Learning Center. We chose to work with Lars thanks in a big part to Sam, the cooking guy. Sam has been a longtime supporter of Olivewood, and when he realized that our kitchen was in need of some desperate help, he recommended that we call Jason Larson at Lars and talk to him about our needs. We were fortunate to work with a design team that not only listened to what we wanted, but also challenged us to think outside the box. The design team basically flipped our kitchen around from how it had been for many years, and I think initially we were worried that we weren't going to be able to meet our program goals, but we trusted them. They were great at explaining things in a way that made us feel comfortable and confident in their skills and abilities, and we were so grateful for the finished product. So we've been in our kitchen now for about 2 months, and it's definitely the highlight of all of our tours. Everybody who walks in, whether they know it's been remodeled or not, talks about how beautiful, how functional, and how amazing this kitchen is. We are grateful that we have this beautiful property in general, but being able to have a space that makes people feel warm and welcome is beyond our wildest dreams.